Everyone keeps saying sedans are dead, that electric cars are too expensive for normal people, that you need an SUV to get space and range, and the new Kia EV4 exists purely to prove every single one of those statements wrong. This thing looks like it drove straight out of a sci-fi movie and parked in your driveway. Vertical LED headlights that stretch from the hood to the ground. Sharp geometric lines that make it look wider and more aggressive than sedans have any right to be. A floating roofline that tricks your eye into thinking this car is lighter than air. Kia calls it their tiger face design and star map lighting signature. You call it proof that electric sedans can be more exciting than every boring crossover on the road. Under the hood sits a 201 horsepower electric motor. Not the most powerful setup in the EV world, but you get something better than power. You get choice. Two battery options that completely change what this car can do. The standard 58.3 kilowatt-hour pack gives you 410 kilometers of range, perfect for city driving and daily commutes without range anxiety. The long-range 81.4 kilowatt-hour battery stretches that to 630 kilometers. That's enough to drive from Zurich to Munich and back without charging. And charging, you go from 10 to 80% in 31 minutes. Not Tesla Supercharger fast, but this uses a 400-volt system instead of 800-volt to keep costs down. Speaking of costs, this thing comes with a NACS charging port. You can plug directly into Tesla Superchargers across Europe. 0 to 100 takes 7.4 seconds with the standard battery. Not track car fast, but plenty quick enough to make merging onto the highway feel effortless. And the iPedal 3.0 system gives you the best one-pedal driving experience in any electric car. 3 different levels of regenerative braking, so you rarely touch the brake pedal. Step inside, and you're greeted by 30 inches of continuous glass display, a 12.3-inch digital cluster for your speed and range, a 5.3-inch climate control strip in the middle, another 12.3-inch touchscreen for navigation and infotainment. All seamlessly integrated into one flowing panel that dominates the dashboard. The seats? They have theater and rest modes. Theater mode reclines them back so passengers can watch content on the massive screen. Rest mode turns them into something close to first-class airplane seats. Ambient lighting that changes color to match your mood. Open center console with 2 tiers of storage. Premium materials everywhere you touch. Highway driving assist keeps you centered in your lane on long trips. Remote smart parking lets you park this thing from outside the car using your phone. Harman Kardon premium audio turns every drive into a concert. And an AI assistant that responds to Hey Kia for voice control of everything. This is the interior quality you expect from cars costing twice as much. So what does all this cost? You get into a new Kia EV4 for 34,950 Swiss francs. Under 35,000 francs for an electric sedan with 630 kilometers of range and a premium interior that embarrasses most luxury cars. Sedans aren't dead, they just needed to go electric and prove everyone wrong. Up next, I'm reviewing the car that every parent swears they'll never buy but secretly wants. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.